In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resell FIFA World Cup tickets. The safest and most reliable way to resell FIFA World Cup tickets is through FIFA's official ticket portal, so that's where you'll want to begin. Start by going to the official FIFA World Cup 2026 ticket website. Once you're there, sign in using the same FIFA account you originally used to purchase your tickets. This part is important because your purchased tickets and any resale options will only appear under that account. After you've logged in, head to the area labeled My Tickets, or the ticket management section of your account. This is where you can view the tickets you currently own and manage what happens to them. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct match, date, and seat details before moving forward, especially if you purchased more than one ticket or tickets for multiple games. Next, choose the ticket or tickets that you want to sell. Once selected, look for the option called List for Resale, or in some cases, Resale or Exchange Marketplace. The wording can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. This is the official area where you can put your ticket back on the market for another fan to buy. If the platform allows you to choose a price, you'll then set your resale price. Keep in mind that FIFA may apply rules around pricing, and local laws may also affect what you're allowed to charge. In some cases, there may be minimum or maximum price limits, and in others, FIFA may control all or part of the pricing structure, so if you notice restrictions, that's normal and part of the process. Once everything looks right, confirm the listing and submit it. Before you finalize it, it's a good idea to review the details carefully, because the listing should match exactly what you intend to sell. After your ticket is listed, the next step is simply to wait for another fan to purchase it. It's important to understand that listing a ticket does not guarantee a sale. The ticket will only sell if there's demand and another buyer completes the purchase through the marketplace. If your ticket does sell successfully, FIFA will process your payment according to its payout schedule. That payment may be reduced by any applicable resale fees, so don't be surprised if the amount you receive is slightly lower than the listed price. And that's the full process for reselling FIFA World Cup tickets